One day, Surpanaka, the demoness sister of Ravana, encountered the trio. Enchanted by Ram's divine aura, she tried to seduce him, but Ram politely refused, while Lakshman acted swiftly. Surpanaka rushed to her brother Ravana, the mighty demon king of Lanka. She recounted her ordeal, igniting Ravana's fury. Have you ever wondered how channels like RK Guru, Mr. Per Facts, and Bible in Nutshell are racking up millions of views and earning over $1,500 per month?
In today's tutorial, I'll reveal the exact process to create stunning, high-quality mythology trailers.
All in just a few simple steps. And the best part? You can do it using 100% free AI tools.
But here's the catch. Miss even one step, and your final result might not turn out as expected. So stay with me till the very end to get it right. Now let's dive in.
Step 1. Creating the story outline. For this, I have done a bit of research on the story which I want to create. Basically, I want to create a story on Bali and Sugriv and their rivalry, and finally how Sugriv helped Ram to rescue Sita. So that is my topic for the day, and for this I have done a bit of research, and after doing the research I have jotted down all the points here, and then I will be copying all these points and asking my GPT to create a story. For this today I am going to use DeepSeek AI. Now I will simply paste this and send message. If you want to claim this document where you will be getting all the detailed prompts, master prompts and final image prompts, please do type prompt in the chat box so that I can send it across to you. I am getting the complete story, and I have also mentioned the word limit 500 words so that I can get the story as per my requirement. You can create longer or shorter story as per your need, and I will paste it in the document. Now this story will become our voiceover once we start creating the voiceover from speech synthesis softwares. So I will be now heading over to the second prompt. My second prompt is give me the main characters of this story. Right now, after this story is generated, I will give me the main characters of the story. Please mention the characters' appearance, look, royal wearing. You can, instead of giving royal wearing, you can give wearing details and expression and send. So this prompt will by default get you all the main characters, how do they look, how should be their attire, and how should be their expression, which happens to be the best way to generate consistent character. First crafting the characters, then keeping them consistent, we will be using the scenes. For that, the tailor-made prompts I will be giving you in the prompt document. Please mention prompt so that I can send it across to you. So I have got 9 main characters. I will be copying that. Now I will have to create one by one images for these characters. So let us move to the second part where we will be crafting the characters first. Then we will be again heading back to create the prompts for scene by scene images. Please open Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI and go to image creation option. Here in the prompt section, make sure your classic mode is activated, and in the prompt section I will first create the characters. Why am I first creating the character, that you will understand in the next part too. So it is very crucial to stay to watch all the parts of this video. Now you give this prompt, and here you should be selecting Phonex 1.0 model, otherwise Flux Dev model, either of these two. Okay, right now I am using Phonex model. Keeping that selected, you should be always keeping the prompt enhancement auto and style dynamic. Here if you are using free option, you can use fast mode, but I am using paid, so I am using ultra mode. 16:9 should be selected for widescreen ratio. If you are looking for a short film, then it should be 9:16. Number of images will be maximum 4 for you because you would be using free version. If you have paid version, you have your choice, so I am going for 2 images, and with that hit generate. So see, I have got Sriram's image, crystal clear image of Sriram. So if you like it, go ahead and download. since I am using ultra mode, I don't need to really upscale it. Now this will be Ram's image. Similarly, we will have to create Sita and other characters image. So I will just fast forward this and I will just create all the images first. Now if you want to learn in deep 12 different camera angles, almost to 9 different shots and motion type, and in detailed process to create the scene, I have crafted a beautiful course for mythology. Then definitely you can take my course and you can claim 75% discount coupon by typing course in the comment section. Type course in the comment section, mention your email ID along with it so that I can send across your special code with 75% discounted rate for this course. So as you can see, I have generated all the images starting from Ram, Ravan, Sita, Bali, Surpanakha, Sugriv. This is Hanuman and this is Jatayu and this is Lakshman. Now we will be creating scene by scene image prompts. So for these again I have given a master prompt as usual. You will have to copy this third prompt from here till this purple apprentice. So you will have to just copy that and paste that to DeepSeek AI. So now here you have to give all the details of the appearances which you have used to create their appearances. Head back to Leonardo AI. Whichever image has given you satisfactory result, that image's prompt you will have to copy. And I will paste it here. So after pasting all the characters descriptions, just send it. So now as you can see, I have got all the prompts generated here. So what all you need to do is you need to copy and paste the image prompt. So let me do that. Now we will have to create the images. Again I am going to use Leonardo AI, the same setting. So go to home page, go to image creation, take the first prompt, copy the prompt, paste it here. No image reference is required. Keeping other settings same, just send. Let us see how the image comes. Even I don't know. If the image is not desired, then I'll have to change and modify the prompt. So I liked this image the most, so I will go ahead and download it. This is a close-up image. I really like the way it is shown. I previously got this image as well. I liked this image as well, but Ram's feature is not blue, so that's the reason I didn't accept this. So I quite like this one, so I will stick to this. Like this, you will have to create scene by scene images. So let me take the second image prompt. Let me just copy this entire prompt once again and let me just paste it in Leonardo AI and generate the images. Okay, keeping other settings similar, I will generate the images. Now while this image is getting generated, I will show you flow state option. Flow state is free and you can use it for the free Leonardo AI option as well. The best part is you get these 4 different ways of creating your images. One is vibe. This element is there. You can choose any of these vibes as per your need. If you don't feel like choosing any of these, then keep it automatic. Next is lighting. You may choose any of these lightings if you feel like, otherwise keep it automated. Shot type, again there are different shot types which are given: low angle, in motion, high angle, cute, dreamy, elegant, epic, close up, cinematic, whatever is resonating to your shot. If you can resonate, then you can choose it, otherwise keep it automated and just paste the prompt as it is, the way ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI has given you. Next is color. You may choose any of these colors if that suits your scene, otherwise keep it automated. So with that being said, I'll be taking the next image prompt. So here in the vibe, I will be keeping everything automated. Lighting, color theme also automated. Just I will be changing this and then hit generate. In flow state, I will be generating many images one after another. Of all these, I liked this image, so I will go ahead and download it. as you can see, this image is showing Surpanakha and Lakshman in one scene. So if you like it, go ahead and download it. As you can see, I have generated all the images here. So after the images are created, now we will have to create the video prompt for each image. So for these I have another model prompt ready, as I was saying you. Fifth prompt, which is video prompt, you'll have to just copy this prompt and you will have to paste this prompt in ChatGPT. I will be pasting this, generate. Now you whatever shot you like, you can create that shot with these prompts. They have given separate shot details. For creating video, I always suggest Kling or Hallyu AI. So I'll go to Kling AI, go to AI video option, go to frames option, here upload the image. I upload this image for the first scene and here give the prompt, okay, and I will be copying the shot detail, okay. That's all. I don't need to mention. If you want, you can mention the lighting, music and sound effect is not required. And here you will have to use standard mode. I am using professional mode as I use a paid version. Here 10 seconds long and 5 seconds long shots can be generated. I am generating 5 seconds long and hit generate. So I will go ahead and download without watermark. You may download with watermark. And finally you will have to edit these. The editing part is very simple. So I'm going to show you in the next part. For that, I forgot to show you, I will have to create the voiceover. For these, you will have to take the narration, complete narration, and you'll have to go to 11 labs. Now text to speech option. Here just paste the speech. Take the voice which is most realistic. I feel Brian's voice is good. Even God of P, this voice, if you're doing it in Hindi, this one is really good, but I would like to go for English, so I will take Brian's voice and then hit generate. Once it is done, you can go ahead and download. For editing, I am taking Filmora. Upload all your images and videos. So I'll take the images and the videos here. So now you will have to use, you'll have to take one by one images or videos. Now if you want to increase the length, there is one option to reduce the speed. Go to the speed option and reduce it a bit so that it is the length of the video is more here itself, and the slow motion will show more slowly. Okay, and there is another way to, as image to video is very costly, so I'm showing another way to create the videos. Let's suppose this is one image which I want to transform into video. So what is possible that I'm showing you, you just right click on this image, here go to crop and zoom, pan and zoom, and here this inside box can be stretched and the arrow would show that from which side to which side the camera would move. And then if I apply, as you can see, after these, okay, as you can see, it is showing as if the camera is moving or focusing towards the subject. So this is how one type of motion is possible. Another motion is called keyframe animation. Here you will have to keep the playhead here, and here you will have to click on the right hand side image. Under basics you have transform option, just put one keyframe, and then after a certain while you can put another keyframe, and if you want to make it little zoom in kind of an effect, you can just increase the size, and that way it will kind of move towards the center of the image, as you can see. Okay, so this way if you want to make it fast, then you keep the gap between two keyframes little small, so that it is more faster. Okay, so this way also you can create, you can add another keyframe here and show the other parts, other chimpanzee or other monkey this side like this, and you can make the distance little more, and this way you can see how is it looking. And from here you can, if you want to get to zoom out, then what you'll have to do is you'll have to simply add another keyframe here, and then selecting these, bring it back to its main size by reducing the size of the complete image. So I'll just put it here. Okay, and then if I play the whole thing, as you can see, this is kind of zooming in, then it is panning right, and finally zooming out. So this way, by using keyframe animation and zoom in zoom out animation, crop and zoom by crop and zoom feature, you can transform easily any image to video. But again, I told you the subject matters, the way it is moving, the subjects are moving, they are talking, that is not possible. Okay, you'll have to upload the audio. Now you'll have to arrange all the scenes scene by scene, and which should follow the audio right narration, and then finally go ahead and export it from top right hand side corner export button. After all this is the final result. Now if you want to learn in deep 12 different camera angles, almost to 9 different shots and motion type, and in detailed process to create the scenes, I have crafted a beautiful course for mythology, then definitely you can take my course and you can claim 75% discount coupon by typing course in the comment section. Type course in the comment section, mention your email ID along with it, so that I can send across your special code with 75% discounted rate for this course.
One day, Surpanaka, the demoness sister of Ravana, encountered the trio. Enchanted by Ram's divine aura, she tried to seduce him, but Ram politely refused, while Lakshman acted swiftly. Surpanaka rushed to her brother Ravana, the mighty demon king of Lanka. She recounted her ordeal, igniting Ravana's fury. Determined to avenge his sister and claim Sita, Ravana devised a cunning plan. Seizing the opportunity, Ravana disguised himself as a sage and approached Sita. He abducted her. Jatayu, the noble eagle king, witnessed the crime and bravely fought Ravana to save Sita. Though he failed and was mortally wounded, Jatayu managed to inform Ram and Lakshman about Sita's abduction before breathing his last. Heartbroken yet determined, Ram and Lakshman began their search for Sita. Their journey led them to Kishkinda, where they met Sugriva, the exiled monkey king. Grateful, Sugriva vowed to help Ram find Sita. He mobilized his monkey army, led by the mighty Hanuman, to search every corner of the earth. Hanuman's leap across the ocean to Lanka marked the turning point. He found Sita in Ashoka Vatika, reassured her of Ram's imminent rescue, and returned with the news.
Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.